Hey guys, it's Twister BMX9 here, and I'll be doing, I guess, what a BMXer should have in his toolbox if you have one. Well, of course, you're going to need just any toolbox. I highly recommend Mastercrafts. They're very good. They're sturdy. They're very strong, but they are pricey. I just got a little one. I need more parts. I need a bigger one soon, of course, because mine is full, like full to the top. Alright, so first you should have 1 or 2 wrenches, just in case you need them. Adjustable, preferably, because if you need to get it on any other types of bolts, if you have fitted ones, it might just be a problem. But if you get a whole set of fitted ones, which I also have, those are good to go with too. Alright. Yeah, like one fitted one. Okay, you're gonna need a chain brake. This one's broken, kinda. I fixed it. A piece of the metal inside of it had bent. There should be 2 rails, but there's only 1 now. So I'll just be getting a new one. But you need one of those, especially if you like to fix your bike a lot and you travel a lot. It's just a pain in the ass when you have to take your chain off and you just don't have a chain brake. Alright. You should have... Oh, shit. Fuck. Alright. Tire tensioners. You use these to put your tires on your rim. They're pretty handy, actually. Instead of going to your bike shop and doing all this, it's like right there. It's pretty easy. It's not hard. But that's, if you don't know how, just search up a how-to or something. I always have an X-Acto knife in here. A fitted clamp. I always have 2 of these, but I don't know where the other one is. It's somewhere. But a fitted clamp, so you can adjust it to bigger bolts or smaller bolts. Again, very handy when you need to clamp her down. I don't even know what these are, so I think these are for your tires too. But I never use them. Extra parts, of course. What do I even have on here? Alright, here we go. Extra parts. I got an extra seat clamp. I don't have one now because I have an integrated seat clamp. An extra stem bolt. Fork bolt. I ride removable brakes, so these are just the removable parts. You got these for the back, for your actual brake system. Then you have the cable hanger piece. What is this? This is just a crank slide. Goes on your cranks. I have a ton. I actually have so many more than these. But they're headset. They're, what are they? They're stem spacers, headset spacers, I don't know. They're good. I don't use them. Alright. A socket set. Very, very handy. Very handy, especially when you're doing a lot of moving around with your bike. Although if you get that set that I have, a Mastercraft set, the sockets aren't long enough to fit around your axle, so you're going to need longer sockets, which I just stole from my dad in a really big case. And then you're also going to need a socket extension, which doesn't come in there, so possibly get a bigger one. I just have a tire patch kit. Pretty handy, especially if you don't want to buy a new tube all the time. This is parts from my old headset on my old bike. Yeah. This is my old gyro. I don't ride it anymore. Here's the other, I guess they're tweezers kind of for bikes. They're heavy tweezers. Where the fuck? Oh, there it is. Alright. Allen keys. Very, very, very important. I got 3 sets just in case. Color-coded, so I know. Oh shit, there's a red one. It's color-coded red, dark blue, light blue. Oh, sorry. And then these are just the 3 I use mainly. I have the elementary stem, so you need one big one. And then this was for my, whatchamacallit, that's for my 4-clamp bolt. And then, I don't know what the other one's for. I think it's for my seat post. I have extra stem bolts, I think. Oh no, these aren't stem bolts. These are crank bolts, pinch bolts. Again, this is my other wrench, which I use them a lot. I have 4 other pegs. One of them is on right now. They're just stock pegs that I got. They're not bad. They're just heavy. So just in case I use them, they're there. I got a bunch of screwdrivers. I don't know why. I don't know what to use them for. But I end up using them with something, so they're helpful. I don't know what this is. It is, I think it's for your axles or something. I have, what the hell's the other one? Okay, it doesn't matter. I have 2 of these. They're caps for if you are moving around, or if you clean your bike or something, you take it apart. They're caps, so you put them on like holes in your frame. Like that would be there or here. They're pretty handy. There's another seat clamp. And an old stem, which I don't use anymore. I'm getting a new one. I don't know which one it's going to be, but this is an old stock stem. So it ain't too bad. These are just the bolts from it. And then I have a bunch of valve caps, just in case I need them. Alright, so I always have tape in there too, but I need to stock up on that. So that is pretty much what you should be using in a toolbox, or at least that's what I use in my toolbox. So I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. Please like. Please comment what you want me to do next, and I'll be doing it. Yeah.